We'll guide you through how to get help with Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website on your desktop. Once you're there, log into your account if you aren't already. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Help and Support. This will take you to the Zapier Help Center. Here, you can search for topics in the search bar that might be giving you trouble. Type in keywords or specific error messages to narrow down the results. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says Contact Us. Click on that and you'll be prompted to fill out a form with details about your issue. Be sure to provide as much information as possible, such as the steps leading up to the problem, any error messages, and what you were expecting to happen. This will help the support team assist you more efficiently. Once you've filled out the form, hit Submit. You can expect a response from the Zapier support team within a few business days. In the meantime, you can also check out their community forums where you can ask questions and get advice from other Zapier users. Sometimes, you'll find that other users have experienced similar issues and may have already shared solutions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.